Well, there's a bit of a first for MOTO. We're doing a bit of off-road riding. We've picked up a couple of trail bikes, the DR-Z400E and the DR-Z400E, neither of which really need much introduction. So I get a bit of a rare opportunity to don the Alpine stars, so that's exciting. Now, it's not the most high-tech motorcycle in the world, I think we all know that, but at $9,490 rideaway in a Cape York edition, which adds a couple of accessories, it seems to represent good value. So anyway, enough talk, I'm itching for a ride, let's go. When I say that the Suzuki DR-Z400 has been around for a while, well, it has. Suzuki in fact began manufacturing the first electric start version back in 2000. It's been really popular here too, with over 20,000 units sold in Australia so far, and the brand's local wing tells me they've seen a spike in sales during the pandemic. Suzuki is under no illusion with what it's selling here. It markets the bike as a capable and reliable off-road machine that is priced below its competitors and is easygoing on maintenance costs. Riding this trail bike in 2020, I was reminded why it is so popular. It's approachable and forgiving in the way that ultra-modern motocrossers simply are not. Those ripping the motocross track apart will likely look for more performance, but that's not what this bike is designed for. It's a loyal friend that you can trust to get you up those hills and through those river crossings day in and day out. The bike's age is mainly noticeable in some of its styling features, and its weight may be a sticking point for some. At 138 kilograms wet, it can be a bit of a wrestle in tough enduro conditions, and so it's not a bike that I'd like to spend all day dragging up a rock face or pulling out of the mud. Luckily, I think those days are behind me anyway, and while it's not the most rapid machine on the market, I'm surprised at how much low-end pull the 398cc engine has despite its hefty weight. Also, is it just me or is it really loud? No complaints as I love a loud pipe, but I'm really surprised just how much volume it has for a stocker. So what exactly do you get for your money here? The DR-Z400E is sold now in Cape York edition for $9,490 right away, which includes some extra parts like Pro Taper handlebars and grips, Suzuki handguards, radiator guards and a bash plate, as well as a muffler end cap and of course, a bunch of decals. All in all, Suzuki values that stuff at around $700. So yeah, the old girl is getting a bit long in the teeth, but is there a bike as practical and versatile with such a great track record of reliability for the same kind of money? Probably not.